going to investigate. There's tons of water pouring out of here, which is just the opposite of the way it should be with the incoming tide. So I'm going to videotape my probably not one of the smarter things I've done in my life. There's a waterfall in here. Now that I'm waist deep in mud, water's just rushing out. I wonder where it's coming from. Save this for another day or so, another investigator. I get shot up here. But here we got just tons of water pouring out into Burntmill Creek. It seems to be extremely clean, so don't think it's necessarily runoff. Who knows, another day.